Understanding, left holding the bag. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, left holding the bag. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you were suddenly responsible for something, maybe something you weren't entirely prepared for? That's exactly what this phrase is all about. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Left holding the bag is an idiom that describes a situation where a person is left with all the responsibility, blame, or unpleasant tasks when others have evaded their duties or disappeared. It's like being the last one standing in a game of musical chairs. But instead of missing out on a seat, you're stuck with an unwanted responsibility. The origin of left holding the bag traces back to a trick or deceit. Historically, it might have referred to someone left with an empty bag after others have taken all the valuable contents. It's akin to being duped or tricked into a situation where you end up with all the responsibilities while the culprits escape scot-free. 1. After the party, I was left holding the bag, cleaning up all the mess while everyone else went home. 2. When the project failed, it felt like I was left holding the bag, as my teammates shifted all the blame onto me. 3. She didn't want to be left holding the bag if the plan didn't work, so she made sure everyone knew their responsibilities up front. There are a few expressions that convey similar meanings or situations. Stuck with the short end of the stick, finding oneself in a less advantageous position. Caught holding the hot potato, being in a tricky situation that is hard to get out of. Understanding these can help you enrich your English vocabulary and express yourself more vividly in various contexts. Left holding the bag is more than just a phrase. It's a colorful way to describe a common situation many of us find ourselves in. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and experiences they convey. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.